How to start investing in the stock market. In this video we're going to discuss one of the most popular and potentially lucrative investment opportunities available to everyone, the stock market. If you've ever wondered how to start investing in stocks, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll guide you through the basics of getting started in the stock market. So, let's dive right in. Before you begin investing, it's crucial to understand the fundamentals. The stock market is a platform where investors buy and sell shares of publicly traded companies. By purchasing shares, you become a part owner of the company, giving you the opportunity to profit from its success. So, how can you start investing in stocks? Here are 5 key steps. The first step is to define your investment goals. Ask yourself, what do you want to achieve through investing? Are you aiming for long-term wealth growth or short-term gains? Do you have a specific financial target in mind? By setting clear goals, you can develop an investment strategy tailored to your needs. Step 2. Educate yourself. The stock market can be complex, so it's essential to educate yourself. Read books, attend seminars, and watch informative videos to expand your knowledge. Familiarize yourself with stock market jargon, different investment strategies, and the factors that influence stock prices. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make informed investment decisions. Step 3. Determine your risk tolerance. Every investment involves some level of risk, and it's crucial to determine your risk tolerance. Consider your financial situation, time horizon, and emotional readiness to handle market fluctuations. If you're uncomfortable with high-risk investments, you may opt for a more conservative approach. Understanding your risk tolerance will help you create a suitable investment plan. Step 4. Open a brokerage account. To start investing in the stock market, you'll need a brokerage account. A brokerage account is a platform that allows you to buy and sell stocks. Research different brokerage firms to find one that suits your needs. Consider factors like fees, trading tools, customer support, and the ease of use of their platform. Once you've chosen a brokerage, open an account and fund it with the desired amount of money. Step 5. Develop a diversified portfolio. Now that you have your brokerage account, it's time to build a diversified portfolio. Diversification involves spreading your investments across different asset classes and industries to reduce risk. Consider investing in stocks from various sectors, such as technology, healthcare, and finance. Additionally, you may choose to invest in other assets like bonds, exchange-traded funds, ETFs, or mutual funds. Diversification is key to balancing risk and potential returns. Congratulations! You're now on your way to investing in the stock market. But remember, investing is a long-term commitment, and patience is essential. Let's quickly recap the steps we discussed today. 1. Set clear investment goals. 2. Educate yourself about the stock market. 3. Determine your risk tolerance. 4. Open a brokerage account. 5. Develop a diversified portfolio. Lastly, never forget the importance of continuous learning and staying updated with market trends. The stock market is dynamic, and it requires vigilance. Keep track of the companies you invest in and stay informed about any significant developments or news that may impact their performance. Remember, investing in the stock market can be a rewarding journey, but it's important to stay focused and make informed decisions. Always invest within your means and avoid emotional decision-making. With time, patience, and a disciplined approach, you can achieve your financial goals. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know in the comments section below.